Fox. So in this video I would be explaining how you can import all the future asset from Binance, okay, to your watch list in one shot. In Binance, if you try to trade, right, there are several crypto available there, several cryptocurrencies and their respective charts are available. But in TradingView, if you manually try to check out your Binance app and try to add them, it will take a very long time. Okay, so I'm just going to share you how you can quickly do it within couple of seconds. So for that you need this file. Okay, so this file I will tell you how you get the file. So what you need to do, whenever you open this file called Binance Future Watchlist 2022 prepared by me, just copy here, and you see here I have multiple watch lists. Now if you didn't know how to create multiple watch lists in free TradingView account, okay, you can watch out my video which is already available, how to create multiple watch list on TradingView. Okay, that you can search here. Okay, and this is available in the channel itself, how to create multiple watch list. Even in the playlist, if you go to my channel, you will see this under TradingView. Okay, you will find that update, and this video I would also be adding under TradingView. Okay, so simple. Just, and how you will get this file, I will tell you now. So simple, you need to copy it, any watch list you create. So I'm using a watch list, I'm creating a watch list called crypto. This is empty watch list. Click on the plus button and right click and paste and click enter. When you hit enter button in your keyboard, and that's it, you see all the cryptos are there. Now how you will get this watch list, because now Binance means TradingView is not allowing to export. Okay, so this is the way you can do it, okay, from my crypto list. And how you will get this, you just need to go to my Telegram group. Okay, this is called Price Action Monk, and here is the file. You can simply download this file. I just posted this file over here. So simply download this file, and after downloading this file, the file will look like something like this, and rest of the process you already know, right? Simple copy paste. So guys, thank you so much. Any confusion, any questions, you can reach out to me at support@priceactionmonk.com. So sign up for the day.